Hello dears, so today I am going to show you the number 3 from my number series, and it's very easy to make. Within 2 minutes you can make it. It's very quick, easy for beginners. So subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. So let's begin. Make a slip knot. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Go into the last back side of the chain. Back side, the upper part, and then make 12 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We made the first part of the number 3. Now we make 3 chains, and into the last chain, this part, we get into this chain here, and yarn over and get into this part of the chain and make 12 double crochets again. So we completed the second part of 3. As you can see, they look very disjointed, but then here you will slip stitch into the horizontal double crochet, 1 and 2, then you see this part which is separated, we put them together here on top of each other, and then we get into this middle part of 3 and pull up a loop from here, and again get into this part here, pull up a loop here, and then pull up, and then make 2 chains and cut the yarn, fasten off, and here we are ready with number 3. You can cut the threads or you can sew them in, and you can use a big 10 mm hook to just make the hole bigger here. So it looks like a 3, and here we have number 3 ready to be used for any kind of projects that you have. in future. You can collect such things and make, like I made this too in my last video. And see, when I collect these and I use them for some projects, for t-shirts and for keychains and so on. You can use them for anything, birthdays, anniversaries and those such occasions. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.